is up, beautiful people? Addie here of Old World New. Thank you for tuning in and joining me here on my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been here for a while, what's up? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that alert button so that you know the next time I post a video. This time, in this video, I am bringing you a PR unboxing, not a haul, but just some of the things that I have received recently from eco-friendly companies, and I just want to share them with you. I usually just share a quick little snippet on my IG, and who am I kidding? I don't share a quick snippet because I am long-winded, and I talk about it for several slides or for several stories, but right now I'm just going to share a few things that are overdue in sharing, and I'm looking forward to using them. Some of these brands I am familiar with, some of them are new to me. I think the concept of PR gifting is really cool. Sharing things with influencers to, who then share that information further to help people learn about products that can help them. I think it's an awesome thing. I think it can get to be a bit too much sometimes. There are sometimes companies who send you things unsolicited without asking you beforehand, and you may not use them at all, and so those things go to waste. And then of course, outside of the realm of sustainability, there is a lot of even more gifting, and those products quickly become trash, or like novelty, and then they become trash. It can be seen as unsustainable, definitely, and understandably so, because if you're constantly giving out free stuff to influencers to encourage people to buy, it's like buying into the capitalistic system of just sell everything. So I try to field everything that is coming to me. If someone asks to send me something, I go to their website, I inspect the product, I look for reviews for the product, and that goes for working with companies as well. I like to do thorough research on the companies as much as I can. There are a lot of new companies popping up, and smaller companies, you just you trust. If you choose to work with them, or I'll say if I choose to work with them, I have invested trust in them and that their brand is what they say it is. It's not too hard to figure out whether a brand is truly being sustainable or not. You can go to their website and see if they have pages dedicated to sustainability. Scroll down to the bottom and see if there's a sustainability section where you can click different links. See if it's truly embedded in more than one way in their website and also on their social media, not just one flashy sustainable thing. But sustainability doesn't look the same in all cases, so it's a case by case judgment to make sure that the brands that you're working with or the gifts that you're receiving are truly sustainable, and that you will be able to, and when I say you, I really mean me, case by case basis, for me to determine if the brands are truly sustainable, and to see, determine whether I can share that information. Is that something that I want to share? Is it something that my community even cares about? PR gifts. I do, usually on YouTube, what I've seen is a whole big box, big wall of boxes for the PR unboxing, and they're like, I haven't opened anything in a month and I have 100 things to open. This ain't that ain't this. This ain't it. Pew pew. There you go. You see what you see right there is what you get. And this is me holding on to stuff for a while. Should have been done opening it, but I've been doing other things. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's kind of pushing it, because I think I've shared one of them, and I have been faithfully using it. So let's get started with that. We have right here Vanna White hands. The Stanley stainless steel water bottle. They sent me 2 of them. One with a straw spout and one that you just like open the top. I wish it was a bigger size because I refill it so many times, but I really love it. I've had like stainless steel water bottles like in PR boxes before, like where the company isn't a stainless steel manufacturer. This company is, but like other companies will put together a box of random sustainable things. And the times that I have tried stainless steel water bottles before, I have disliked them so much. That is not the case with this. I really like this. It's heavy duty because I've dropped it. It's like got scratches all up here already. Pretty sure I've only been using it for 2 months, but you know, life. So it has stood the test of me. I like it a lot, but like I said, I just wish I had the bigger one so that it could hold more water. Next is a company that is dear to my heart, my friends at Fair Collection. They give me pieces of their collections ever so often, but this one has been really special because they sent me this earring. They sent me this earring, and it was named after me. And I got my love of, you know, like beautiful statement earrings. Not like gaudy. I can't do heavy or gaudy, but like a statement, a simple, clean statement earring, but that's beautiful and timeless, from my grandmother, whose name was also Addie. So like, it's a dedication for me. It's a dedication to Addie Mae, my Miss Addie Mae. Yes, I call my granny Miss Addie Mae. I also call my daddy by his full government name too because my grandma did it. So I'm Southern, real Southern and country. But yeah, love these earrings. So happy about them. I also have them in black and yellow. These are like white and yellow. They also sent, so this is, I would use it on my glasses, you know, like you hook it onto the that part of your glasses, that part, and to help them stay up. But you can also use this on your mask. It has a clasp. Let's see. It has a clasp on it. And so you can hook it to your mask in case, you know, you have a mask that doesn't wrap around your head that can get lost, so you don't lose your mask. And it can be easily used with disposable masks, because we have seen too many disposable masks going into the streets, into our waterways, even in trees. I've seen them in trees. Like, it's ridiculous. They're all over parking lots. So hold on to your mask however you can and get them to the proper disposal channel, not the ground. But yeah, this is really nice. It's a bit heavy for my glasses, but it's good for my, you know, if you hook it onto the mask, it's not pulling horribly on there. But like on my glasses, it made it heavier on my ears. But yeah, this is great for masks, and it matches the earrings, so its coordination is really cute. And this is another one of their newer earrings. I don't know the name of these, but I think they're adorable. They look like rainbows and raindrops and clouds. It's really pretty. These earrings provide okay, so once again, this is Fair Collection, and so they're fair trade earrings. And fair trade is when the people who make the items are fairly paid and, you know, have a livable wage and good living conditions and good working conditions. These earrings provide a path out of poverty for their makers and help create a fairer world. And you can visit them at Shop Fair, that's ShopFaire.com. I have not opened this one yet, but I've been following this company for a while, Planet Post, and they help you mail like letters to people to make change, you know, change in the government or like in businesses. I guess they might have one like that. I forgot which one I requested, so we're going to open it and see. Ooh, y'all got a discount. If you use code OWN15, you will get 15% off. How to Planet Post. Your Planet Post has arrived, but now what? It has it all here. It has it all here. So this is to keep track of your campaigns. These are not the actual postcards. The postcards are right here, and they come with the stamps. Oh, I chose the "We Need to Declare a Climate Emergency" package. It gives facts, tidbits about the climate emergency. It tells you how declaring a climate emergency will help. There's a QR code for the green tip of the month, and then QR codes for more information. Ooh, socks. Ooh, and mustard yellow. Mustard yellow socks to go with my bed. I love mustard yellow. It's my color. Okay, that is not the point of this box, but it came with socks. Oh, we love these Band-Aids. These are biodegradable Band-Aids, and they have little pandas all. Impact Snacks, a superfood bar. And this will be going into my compost. Ooh, what's this? It's an ink pen. And it's made out of, like, butcher paper. Or, like, cardboard. That's so cute. This is so cute. We are going to make this a family event. We'll get little boo to sign some postcards telling these folks to declare a climate emergency so the world can start to heal from our actions so that he'll have a better world. I really love this, and I'm excited to fill these out, and I'm excited to finally have a Planet Post box. Thank y'all. Next up is package free. They sent me a Mother's Day care bag, and it's a nice bag that I will carry. Don't mess with Mama Earth or Mama me. We all black. Okay, let's see what's inside. We have a reusable, refillable body wash. What's the plain? It's plain products. Citrus lavender. Keep the pump. Reuse and refill this, so if you have to end up getting another one, you still have the pump, but you can keep the top and clean it out, refill it, come back home and put the pump back inside. Plain products, PLAINE. We have the package free bowl, so like a little lunch container. The salad inside. This is a really good size for a big snack to share, like if little boo and I are out for a homeschool adventure or just hanging out, play date. Like we can put one good hefty amount of snack up in here and share it throughout the day. Bath salts by Indulge Bath. I'm gonna smell this. Organic coconut milk, lemon, peppermint, and vanilla. That sounds very soothing. Oh, that smells good. Peppermint and vanilla. Alright, last we have, this is either a scrubber that will once you wet it, it'll puff up, or it's like something you can sit a bar of soap on. Not quite positive. I'm going to say the first, so probably a scrubber. It's like a loofah. When you wet it, it'll puff up. And then a bar of soap. I don't know what brand the soap is, but it smells good. It's like a clean and fresh smell, like clean linen. The clean linen smell, probably without. I keep sniffing it. That's all from package free, from their Mother's Day tote that they sent me. Up last, down the street in North Texas still, it's called Farmhouse Fresh, and it is a cosmetics brand, and this box is so much fun. I can't wait to reuse it. I love when companies really think about the packaging and not just ooh, make it cute, make it sustainable, make it reusable, make me want to keep it, make it functional so that it makes sense to keep it, or composted, like these little brown pieces. Like these go straight to the compost. First up is the Mellow Moon Drip Total Swellness. CBD enriched skin therapy. Micro amazing face polish. This is not lotion, it's thousands of tiny, micro amazing natural plant based fiber particles that delicately transform the feel and look of your skin in just 2 minutes. That's great because a lot of exfoliants use like plastics. So this does not, it's plant based. I love cream cleansers. It says green tea milk wash, ultra gentle. I don't know what it is about cream cleansers, but like they hydrate as they clean. They're not drying. That's what it is. And I love it. Next up, watercress hydration cascade, a moisturizer. So this is a moisturizer. It has hyaluronic. The word is stuck in my head because of commercials. There we go. And next up we have another full moon drip. This is ageless facial mousse with peptides and retinol, but the aging skin, which is real. That is all, y'all. Thank you to these companies for sharing these products with me. Let me know if you like this video, because if you do, I will gladly do more as I gather a few more PR products. They'll be, you know, spaced out because like I said, I try not to, you know, overdo it with PR products. I want to keep it balanced, and I tried to keep it balanced, and I tried to be sustainable and think about the environment when I accept new products from companies to try out and to share with you all. So like I said, let me know if you want to see something like this again. I would love to share it again. I think these boxes are really fun, and they inform us about so many new brands that are doing wonderful things and making wonderful products that, you know, are better for the earth. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can get alerts the next time I post a video. Thank y'all, and I will see you later.